Hey, check out this awesome 14-inch HP laptop. Now, I've had one of these for 3 years. I've taken it camping, I've taken it on airplanes, and I love it so much that I bought one for my wife to use for her trips. So we're gonna open this up and see what all comes inside this 14-inch laptop. This specific model has 4 gigs of RAM and a 64 gig onboard hard drive. It also comes with an SD card slot and also Windows S out of the box, but you can easily turn off Windows S, but if you Windows 11 S mode, but if you turn Windows 11 S mode off, you can never turn it back on. So it has a quick start guide, but this is what comes with the computer here. Oof, oof, oof. There we go. So 14-inch, all white, very slick looking HP laptop. And I will say one of the best laptops I've ever owned, unless you need to do power work like gaming. But if you're just surfing the internet or doing word processing or even some light photo editing or CAD work, this can work very nicely for that.